Hi, welcome back to another video on the Leanademy YouTube channel. I'm Lauren Heisey, and today I'm going to be going over the Lean Six Sigma tools. What is a SIPOC diagram? But before we jump in, I just wanted to share that we are going to be sharing some more Lean Six Sigma tools videos throughout the year. So please subscribe to our channel below, and I would also say try to also subscribe to that Lean Six Sigma tools playlist. So let's jump right in. What's a Lean Six Sigma tools, right? So what's a SIPOC diagram? A SIPOC is a high-level process map, and the SIPOC stands for suppliers, inputs, process outputs, and customers. So basically here, it provides a start and stopping point of the process that the team will work on. It helps the project team agree on the processes to concentrate on, but it also provides a guide for the project team during the define phase. And then when you move into that measure phase, into your detailed process map, this is a great map to start with when you were starting out the project. So how do you use the SIPOC map? So first is that you have to figure out what process that you're going to map. And it's usually 5 or 10 high-level process steps. And you identify the start and stop steps first. And then you use the verb-noun structure. And the steps should convey how the inputs are converted into the output. Next, we move into the output. That's our second step. So what that is what are the outputs of that process? It can be a product or service. It can also include the paperwork approvals or anything that is considered an output of that process. If there are a lot of outputs, we usually like to say, let's concentrate on the critical ones. And then next is we get to figure out who are the customers? Who are the customers of the output of this process? Every process has at least one customer. That customer can be internal or external. So remember, you can have external customers the external customers are anyone that's outside the company, internal or anyone that's inside the company. Customers they receive the outputs. And let's move into step 4, which is our inputs. These are the inputs. What are the inputs needed to produce the output that we picked out, that we identified in step 2. Inputs can be any IT systems, materials, people's, machines, information. Inputs are anything that make that process run. And next is who are our suppliers? Our suppliers for step 5 are who supplies the inputs, right? So who supplies the inputs into that process. We identify the suppliers that provide the inputs. All right, let's jump right into an example. This is an example of a customer call center wait time. You can see here within the process, we said the first step is calling to the customer, call number, and then we have end of the call. And then we say the second step, listen to the options, choose the option, talk to the call center rep. And we talk to the call center rep, and then we provide information resolve. The output of this is we have a resolved issue, but we're also meeting customers' needs. But as a company, we are receiving information and we're also retaining that customer. And our customers are the bank customer. The inputs in here were the customer actions. There are job aids. IVR is that individual voice response unit that usually when you call an 800 number, right, you can choose different options. SOPs are the standard work procedures. We have the banking system, that customer information, and then the call center ticketing system. And then our suppliers were the bank customer, our call center reps, and let's just say it was first customer bank. So that's how you really get how you construct a process map. I'm sorry, SIPOC map. All right. If you're interested in learning more about Lean Six Sigma, the tools that we have, the Lean Six Sigma certification, please click on the link below. That link will be in the information below. And we would really hope, if you are interested in more Lean Six Sigma, even if you're new or if you've been doing Lean Six Sigma for a while, please subscribe to the Leanademy channel to learn more about Lean Six Sigma. And of course, in addition to subscribing our channel, if you would like to just send us an email, you can get our email right here. And there's our website. like I said, please subscribe below, and we look forward to seeing you again in our next video.